Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to use when talking on the phone. After watching this video, you'll be able to ask for someone on the phone and to put someone on hold. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Making a Phone Call PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hallo, ek wil graag met die persoon in beheer praat.
Okay, net 'n oomblik.
Once more with the English translation.
Hallo, ek wil graag met die persoon in beheer praat.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Okay, net 'n oomblik.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
Hallo. Hallo,
then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is
Ek wil graag met
person.
praat.
This Afrikaans sentence literally translates as, I want really with person speak, but it means, I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
hallo. Ek wil graag met die persoon in beheer praat. Hallo, ek wil graag met die persoon in beheer praat.
Now, how do you answer this question?
Okay, net 'n oomblik.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
Okay, net 'n oomblik. Okay, net 'n oomblik.
Here are a few more phrases you can use with the same pattern to talk on the phone. The person in charge.
Die persoon in beheer. Die persoon in beheer.
A sales representative.
Verkoopsverteenwoordiger. Verkoopsverteenwoordiger.
The manager.
'n bestuurder. 'n bestuurder.
Customer service.
Kliëntediens. Kliëntediens.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Ek wil graag met 'n verkoopsverteenwoordiger praat. Okay, net 'n oomblik. Ek wil graag met 'n bestuurder praat. Okay, net 'n oomblik. Ek wil graag met kliëntediens praat. Okay, net 'n oomblik.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, I'd like to speak with person?
Ek wil graag met
Person.
praat.
And how do you answer it?
Okay, net 'n oomblik.
Imagine you want to talk to a sales representative. Do you remember how to say, a sales representative?
Verkoopsverteenwoordiger. Verkoopsverteenwoordiger.
Say, I'd like to speak with a sales representative.
Ek wil graag met 'n verkoopsverteenwoordiger praat.
Now say you want to talk to a sales representative and answer it.
Ek wil graag met 'n verkoopsverteenwoordiger praat. Okay, net 'n oomblik.
Now, imagine you want to talk to the manager. Do you remember how to say, the manager?
'n bestuurder. 'n bestuurder.
Say, I'd like to speak with the manager.
Ek wil graag met 'n bestuurder praat.
Now say you want to talk to the manager and answer it.
Ek wil graag met 'n bestuurder praat. Okay, net 'n oomblik.
Now imagine you want to talk to customer service. Do you remember how to say customer service?
Kliëntediens. Kliëntediens.
Say, I'd like to speak with customer service.
Ek wil graag met kliëntediens praat.
Now say you want to talk to customer service and answer it.
Ek wil graag met kliëntediens praat. Okay, net 'n oomblik.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk on the phone. You're now able to answer the phone like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us and your fellow learners whom you'd like to call. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!